Nowadays, many people are using Microsoft Edge as their default browser, and there's no doubt that Microsoft is better than Google Chrome these days. But why is the searching experience still not up to par? Let me show you and let's fix it actually. So the first thing is first, let's open the Microsoft browser. Once we browse here, you can see the interface is totally changed and you can actually configure it more better. But first, let's change the search engine because let me show you. First, you need to click here and then go into the settings. Once you are here, privacy, search and services. Scroll down until you will see here at the bottom address bar and search. Just click on that. Now, by default, you will see here the Bing, which is too much annoying, and why it is, let me show you. Whenever you are searching something here, it will give you these suggestions, and when you click on that, it will open a separate tabs which make annoying. I guess maybe other people will love this, but I don't like it. So what you can do here, click on the privacy and search engine. Once again, scroll down and address bar and search. Just click on that and you can choose here the Google. Now the second thing is search on new tabs uses search box or address bar. So whatever you recommend. In my case, I guess address bar is more better than the search box because search box have the same issue. So you can go with the address bar. You can also manage search engine over here, but anyways, let's move over the interface. Now about the interface, you can also change the interface from here. Just click on these settings and you can just choose whatever you want. And now what are you interested in? Actually, I'm not interested in anything, but you can customize it from here. Now this interface looks pretty good. You can further optimize it from here. The region and language you can choose from here further if you like. I mean, you can go from any country, so it will show you all the news and interest related to that country, that specific country. And if you want to close this, you can see here content off. You can just turn this off, so it will not show you any ads over here in the Microsoft Edge. So that's more better, I guess. Also, here's the quick links. You can see here to raw or top, even though you can just turn it off, but I guess this one is better. You can also change the background from here. Just choose any background, just turn the backgrounds on, and then you can choose any background that you want and hit apply, and that's it. And again, what you need to do here, you need to click on these settings, and you can also manage the theme. Discover the more themes from Microsoft official website, but that's the waste of time actually. You can choose the simple, which is fine and good and best, and that's it. That's the simple interface. You cannot customize it more according to your choice, because whenever you are going here into the content, you can just turn off contents. It will not show you any ads, but you cannot do with different themes, right? Like whenever you change the theme or background, it will also affect the interface. As you can see now, your the search bar is on top instead of mid-row. So that's the reason. So you can just reset it from here and then turn off these contents. So this look is pretty fine, I guess. And now you can search whatever over here. It will give you the Google search bar, the Google search engine. Google search engine will provide you. If you have any other question, feel free to ask in the comment sections, because we pick topics from viewers' comments related to tech. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.